abalaleli beZululand Studio TV, Kamalam Ngubane, also known as The Short Shadows. Kanti namhlanje ngihleli nentandokazi yenu, the beautiful Sne Musiq. So besizwa about her journey in the music industry and ukuthi namhlanje ngoba la ufike kanjani la khona sawubona sisu Sne. Eh, ashaka nje amahlolo masamapha sekubheka mnandi. So Sne, I want you ukuthi usibuyisele emuva about ijourney yakho nokuthi ufike kanjani la ukhona namhlanje.
Yeah.
So Sne, sifuna ukuthi umusic uqale nini nje in general?
Okay, in general umusic ngiqale ngo-2012 eGoli. Sashisa impela, ngisamncane, But music we started in 2012 with my song Musiq, and that's where I discovered my name Sne Musiq, because I created a song. We started with Sne, and the song was called Musiq, and then I decided to name myself Sne Musiq, which I am Sne Musiq right now.
Alright, Sne Musiq, comes from your authentic side of music, noma into abantu ababekujwayele ukubiza ngokuthi music kahle into yakho.
As I've said before, Musiq came from a song I first did, my first track, which was called Sne Musiq was the name of the song, and then I decided to name myself Sne Musiq because of the track.
Alright, I'm going back from there. Umuthi wawuseGoli, recorder naye and inspired the record.
I wanted to sign in a company, but then I was still young to sign. A company name was named JU Music Production, and they released a song for me which was called Musiq. If you go to YouTube, you can see it. And then they shot a music video for me. If you go to YouTube, you can still see it. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Which means you've done music videos before?
Yes, I've done like 3 music videos.
Which is that's amazing. That's amazing. Sne, from 2012, who's a big man? How many songs have you released?
Oh my God! What? I'm not sure how many songs I've released, but my own music, I know I've released 5 tracks. From my EP called Life is a Journey. It's the EP that I released on 14 May.
Oh, that's nice. I thought you were going to say 14 February. But
it's just recent.
Oh, you did recent. I think that EP is going somewhere. And going back to the EP, what inspired the EP? What's the history behind
I think what inspired my EP, it's my journey, my life, everything that's been going on in my life. Yeah.
So can you say the journey has been a good one, or?
It's been a rough journey, happy journey. It's like I've experienced everything in my life. So, and experience it. I know you guys have experienced it too, as you are at home. So let's just enjoy the journey. It's a journey. It's not a competition. Yeah.
Oh, I think I like that one the most. I think discussing about bangena music industry, it's competition.
Yeah.
So, going back to the EP, what makes your EP different from any other EP?
I cannot say it's because of my life experiences, but I can also say it's because of my life experiences. Everything I wrote there was everything I've experienced in my life.
Are you the writer and producer?
Yes, I'm a songwriter, and I'm an artist as well.
Oh,
yes.
So, something for this and
not for this and show man.
Oh, I got it. So, Sne, before the EP, you know you're busy now.
I've been busy like trying to activate my niece with her makeup artistry, and she also does nails. Look at my makeup. Look at my hair.
Oh. No man, I think in the industry, it's your journey. The last thing say it's your journey. I think COVID has affected us. What is it that you have faced before and after COVID?
Personally, I cannot talk about those things, but what I experienced is I had to leave Durban because of the collision that was happening around Durban. Efletin Lami ended up being on flames because she saw and Efletin she said and then I couldn't continue with my EP because of those things. But I'm glad because I'm at home.
Yes.
I'm keeping it happening. And I'm keeping it happening.
Yes! I think that's another thing. Welcome back.
Thank you.
That's another thing. Welcome back. Talent coming back home.
And it's for me.
Like it's been. I was listening to a few of your chats earlier, and Indian I would say it's your journey, and I personally win. Yes. But being personally when I am seeing them now, and I think they are free.
That's the main point of it.
Thank you for ukuluma amaqiniso siwafaceayo every day. Esiwafacea nesabukhuluma ngawo. So I really want to commend you on EP yakho. It's something else.
Thank you so much.
It's something else. Man. So yena singayilindela from Sne Musiq. After this EP, what else can you wait for?
Okay, not after. As we are going on the EP, I'm gonna be releasing my music video, 9. We're gonna be releasing it on YouTube, and I'm not sure when it's gonna get on TV, but the track is Sozendaglibala. It's the first track on the EP.
Nice.
Just wait for what's coming, and I'm gonna be shooting as well. I'm not gonna say when and where, but I'm gonna shoot for some of the tracks as the EP. The EP is a 5-track EP. Life is a Journey is the name of the EP, so just enjoy, guys. It's my life experiences, and I know you will experience it with me because it's something that has happened in your life as well.
Can you name the tracks of the EP?
Challenge. Okay, the first track is Sozendaglibala, Ngilindeli Shone, I Cry, Vuganima Africa, and fly away. I wanna spread my wings and fly away, far away, high.
If you don't mind me asking, when you say you want to spread your wings and fly away, are you talking about the industry or are you talking personally?
Oh my God, the one who I'm challenging, guys. So I was just, honestly speaking, I was talking about my experience as facing now as an artist. At home, like they just pressure you to stay at home, learn, go to but sometimes you just wanna flow through it, be a songwriter, be a dancer, being a musician, being a fashion designer, be something else someone has never learned to be. And then during those times, and because me experience I'm feeling like Peshe or in Cape Town, my family is not going to be able to reach me. And when I was richer, I'm going to be flying away because I'm going to be doing everything I want to do, and they're not going to stop me in doing anything. By saying they're not going to stop me, it's not like Niti and Abaz stop shooting flow, follow my dreams. Maybe it can be a time where they want to protect me from something that's happening to me. But question is they might just want to protect me because they still need me. But they are born putting a lesson cats, but obviously retrieve or follow my dreams. So that's what I was saying actually. Just fly away. Sometimes you need to fly away to achieve your dreams. And yeah.
I want to commend you on the song for Zama Africa. Kakhulu ngiyayibuza into ezenzeka eSouth Africa ngiyabonga for ukukhuluma amaqiniso ethu. I'm going to say this again. Ngiyabonga Sne baningi abantu abavinjwe imndeni yabo. Bahleli njengamanje i-maths physics la science ibakhawuthi labakwazi ukuqhubeka. But banayo passion ye music, banayo passion ye dance, banayo whatever it is in art bafisa ukuyenza. Yimuphi umlayezo wena that you've gone through it office kubadlulisela wona?
And abanga nami ngumfundi science. So umlayezo engafisa ukudlulisela bona ukuthi bengagive up, guys. You can still do it even if ungawunawo music ikwena. Uqhubeka ufunde ekhaya, thatha ingane zakini, zikubuza imibuzo niphendulane sawusufunda ekhaya mfethu asikho isidingo sokuthi uzuye esikoleni uma unencwadi nje phambi kwakho mfethu ungaqhubeka ufunde uye phambili yeah.
Sne, siyabonga kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi ufikile. And I also want to thank Studio Salwandle Photographies for hosting us here, guys. If you want pictures, please do go check out under Ulwandle Photographies. If you want to check out the Zululand studio place, please go on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. If you want to Sne, go on Facebook and Instagram and go under Sne Musiq. If you want to follow me myself with a Q. If you want to follow myself, please go on Facebook. It's Kwenzieh, Zama, Ngubane. Instagram is short_shandis. Thank you guys for hosting us. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely afternoon. Mwah!
And the next song that's coming is called Soze Ndaglibala by the one and only Sne Musiq.